Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I know it's a little early for Christmas, but you know what? You can't start soon enough, especially when stuff from Dollar Tree goes super fast. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these cute farmhouse Christmas trees that are almost 20 inches in height. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I had found these in the fall decor over at Dollar Tree. Now there's different kinds of little buckets that you can use. I just happen to have these two on hand. So I took off the little owl and I painted them in my linen white chalked paint that I have used so many times in so many projects. Now in order to get good coverage, I went ahead and gave it 2 coats of the white paint. And then I took these Dollar Tree little Christmas trees that I know you've seen in end caps. And since they're a little bit Charlie Brownish and don't have a lot of branches, I also picked up this wired garland ties in order to add a little bit more fullness to these Christmas trees. Now I just wrapped them around the trunk, and the goal was to hide the little trunk and also add a few extra branches. Now when I was happy with the fullness of the Christmas tree, I took away the little stopper that you see here at the bottom of the tree, and I inserted floral foam into the little white bucket, and I added the tree into that floral foam. Now I did adhere the floral foam to the little bucket with some hot glue so that it didn't move. And then when I looked at it, I thought it kind of needed something else. So I added some rope to the top. You also can find this in the floral section at Dollar Tree. And I added 3 different lines. Now, if you use the little galvanized buckets the Dollar Tree has, it already comes with rope. So you can save $1 there. But again, since I already had these buckets, I went ahead and added this rope that I already had on hand. And then in order to hide the floral foam, I used some of Dollar Tree's Reindeer Moss that they have for the holidays. It actually smells really good, and it's a different color than the one that you usually find in the floral department. Now for the topper, I had some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree as well as some buffalo check in red that was left over from their Valentine's Day stash. And I just decided to make a nice little bow for the top. Now one little trick, if you don't know, if you have synthetic ribbon like this right here, you can add a little flame to the end and it will actually kind of seal it and prevent it from fraying. And I don't know how to make any bows, so I am just going to hot glue it together. And then finally, to attach it to the top of my tree, I just add a little bit of floral wire through the back of the ribbon so that I can go ahead and tie it on the top. And there you have it. These are almost 20 inches in height. They're pretty full, and they ended up costing me only $5 a piece. You can also use some of the Dollar Tree battery operated Christmas lights and add it to these and have them lit up at night. I also think these would make great gifts, especially if you go to holiday dinners or get-togethers. Imagine bringing one of these for your hosts. I think it would be a nice treat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can check out more DIYs coming your way. If this video got you in the holiday mood, then I am going to go ahead and link to a couple of other videos that I have for the holidays so you can check those out as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.